contest is happening in the public and in the media. Don't you think it would help a B9 presidency and the economy then if you were more forthcoming now?
Hindi ko po eh. I'm sorry it is not true. There is no factual basis dun sa allegation that I was not forthcoming. I did appear in at least 5 instances. Press conference, special meeting at PICC, at saka I did file kasi ang katutong nitong allegation nito that I'm not forthcoming is the fact that I did not appear in the Senate. Opo, kapanood mo naman yun. Number 3, yung demeanor naman nun. Hindi naman tama. The people requested to appear in the Senate are supposed to be resource persons, not to answer the accusations. Number 2 is, I did file. Physically, I did not appear. But I filed an affidavit o sinumpaan sa design presenting all the defenses to show that there was no graft and corruption after all. Meron naman mga investigatory at ang City Hall, no? Kaya nga lang, nalulod sa media particularly na, I did not appear. And so, you appear to be guilty. Wow, ang hirap naman ng ganung conclusion.